a machine so powerful it can crush skyscrapers, yet it's building Teslas faster than you can blink. This isn't science fiction, it's Tesla's 50,000-ton Gigapress tonight. Discover how Elon Musk plans to forge the future of electric cars in just 5 seconds. Welcome back Road Zone Reviews. Tesla has just secured a brand new Giga Press machine that will allow it to create the entire underbody of its most affordable car yet, the Tesla Model Q, and here's what Elon Musk himself had to say about this engineering madness like real fast. And then yeah, maybe we need to get even bigger casting machines. Sure, why not? Let's do 50,000 tons. Imagine a colossal die casting machine, as big as a house, cranking out a brand new Tesla every 5 seconds. Sounds like pure sci-fi, but it's becoming reality. This is Tesla's next generation Gigapress, a machine Musk once described as a giant toy factory turned all the way up to unimaginable power. Unlike traditional machines that cast a single part, this monster can mold 5 complete underbodies at once. Tesla stands as the world's first EV manufacturer to embrace gigacasting technology at scale, pulling far ahead of competitors still battling slow, conventional assembly lines. It began with a 6,000-ton Gigapress for the Model Y, which consolidated over 70 individual parts into a single precision cast aluminum piece, slashing production time and cost. Then came the 9,000-ton press, strong enough to shape the underbody of the Cybertruck, but Tesla isn't stopping. The next milestone, a mind-blowing 50,000-ton Gigapress, aimed at doing what no machine has done before. Why does Tesla need such enormous force? And how on earth can a single machine possibly produce 5 complete car frames in one shot? Tonight, we're going to break down the mind-blowing engineering behind it all. But before we dive into the cutting-edge technology reshaping Tesla's future, let's rewind to where this revolutionary idea truly began. Picture this: Elon Musk sitting at his desk late one night, deep in thought, in his hand just an ordinary die-cast toy car. At that moment, a simple but radical question sparked in his mind. Why can't we build real cars like this? Why weld hundreds of metal parts together when we could cast the whole thing at once? What sounded like a wild dream soon became a groundbreaking vision, one that could forever transform the auto industry. Back then, Tesla was under enormous pressure to ramp up production of its best-selling Model Y. The demand was soaring, but traditional assembly lines, packed with complex welding robots and countless stamped steel panels, were just too slow and too expensive to keep up. The challenge wasn't only about making cars faster, it was about rethinking how cars could be built from the ground up. That's when the idea of the Gigapress became Tesla's bold answer. Instead of painstakingly welding together more than 70 separate components to create the car's underbody, why not cast the entire section as one massive precision-engineered aluminum piece? It was a risk few thought possible, but it promised huge rewards. Industry experts estimate this daring shift has cut production costs by an impressive 20% to 40% per vehicle frame, dramatically reducing assembly time while improving quality and structural strength. Beyond just saving money, this innovation helped Tesla leap ahead in the EV race, creating vehicles that are lighter, more rigid, and faster to build than traditional cars. What started as Elon Musk staring at a toy car turned into a real-world machine capable of reshaping automotive manufacturing itself. And now Tesla's next goal is even more ambitious, building the Model Q, an affordable, mass-market EV, using the world's first 50,000-ton Gigapress. This enormous machine doesn't just cast a part, it aims to produce 5 complete the vehicle underbodies in mere seconds. How is that even possible? And what does it mean for the future of electric cars? Tonight, we'll take you inside this technological revolution that began with one bold question and could change the industry forever. Today, Tesla's presses shape huge vehicle parts, 6,000 tons for the Model Y, and 9,200 tons for the Cybertruck. The process begins by melting aluminum alloy at over 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The molten metal is injected into a mold under intense pressure, cooling into a flawless shape. If the process is too fast, air bubbles ruin the part. Too slow, the metal hardens before the mold fills. Precision is everything, right down to uniform cooling. A robotic arm removes the part, trims off excess metal, and sends it for inspection. This streamlined approach cuts weight, increases rigidity, and boosts performance while saving time and labor. Other automakers like GM, Hyundai, Volvo, and Xpeng are joining the gigacasting race, but none have dared to build a 50,000 monster show. Here's a 600-character expanded version of your dramatic hook, keeping it punchy and engaging. Imagine a machine so powerful it could crush skyscrapers, yet it's building Teslas faster than you can blink. This isn't science fiction, it's Tesla's new 50,000-ton Gigapress. Born from Elon Musk staring at a toy car and asking, why can't we do this with real cars? Now it can cast 5 entire underbodies at once, reshaping the future of EV manufacturing. Tonight, we dive into the engineering madness set to build the affordable Model Q in just 5 seconds. This ambition shaped the Cybercab production line, which looks nothing like a normal car factory. It's so fast that humans can't safely approach. Robots handle everything from molten metal to casting, cooling, and inspection, all synced in seconds. Imagine a car frame coming out every few seconds. It's mind-blowing. The sheer size of the 50,000-ton Gigapress is incredible, like a 4-story building on its side, likely requiring its own facility and reinforced foundation. It delivers over 8 times the force of the Model Y's press. But despite the size, the casting process itself remains similar. Aluminum is melted, purified, and injected into molds at immense pressure, cooled and then cleaned by robots. Tesla's dual furnace system melts new aluminum and recycles leftovers. Nitrogen gas prevents oxidation, while argon gas and rotary degassing keep the molten metal pure. A silicon carbide filter catches particles, ensuring the alloy is defect-free before casting. Before each cycle, robots spray a thin coat of soybean oil to help parts release smoothly. The mold is vacuum sealed to remove trapped air. Then, molten aluminum is injected by a high-speed piston, each part cooled rapidly to prevent cracks and boost strength. After casting, industrial X-ray scans check for hidden defects. The entire process, powered by advanced AI, ensures perfect quality at record speed, with almost no human oversight. This blend of robotics, AI, and precision engineering echoes the electronics industry: fast, consistent, and incredibly efficient. Tesla's Model Q is central to this vision, an affordable, global EV meant to sell in the millions. At that scale, casting the whole underbody in a single cycle cuts costs and speeds up production, perfectly matching Musk's vision of a matchbox-like megafactory. The Model Q's simpler design, with fewer complex curves, makes it ideal for single-piece casting, all in just about 5 seconds. Musk himself said, "Can you imagine a car coming off the line in less than 5 seconds? That's like, whoa." It may sound impossible, but Tesla is pushing the limits of modern manufacturing. If successful, they won't just build cars faster, they'll change how the entire auto industry thinks about production.